I'm going to be reciting some Hindu shlokas or chants and will provide the English translation as well. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashchit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet.
Meaning, may everyone be happy, may everyone be free from all diseases, may everyone see goodness and auspiciousness in everything, may none be unhappy or distressed. Om, peace, peace, peace.
Om Sena Bhavatu Seno Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Meaning, Om, may we all be protected, may we all be nurtured, may we all work together with great energy, may our intellect be sharpened, may our knowledge be retained, may there is no difference or dispute between us. Om, peace, peace, peace.
Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manasi janatam deva bhagam yata purve sanjanana upasate.
Meaning, may you all be in humanity. Speak in one voice. Let your minds be agreement. Let us the ancient gods share the position of sacrifice.
Thank you.